Good morning. It's so awkward talking to the camera. Today is definitely one of those days where I'm sleeping in. And so now Peter made breakfast, lunch, kimchi, fried rice, spam, hot dogs, eggs. Thanks, Dave.
You're welcome.
Today's plan is to job hunt because I was supposed to move to Hong Kong. Yeah, I got an offer in December and I was supposed to move there, and then getting the visa took a while, so I got my visa in like March, and then by the time I got it, coronavirus basically hit, and yeah, that went down the drain. Like in April, they're like, yeah, we're revoking the offer, and then I'm like, lovely. Well, on the bright side, I still get to enjoy this view. But now I have to job hunt. Yeah, and we'll see how it goes the next few weeks. Medium roast and dark roast is like the best. Yum. I put a little bit of soy milk in it, and it's so good. It's been raining the past few days and you see more green now. Dinner time already, I swear. I don't know where the day goes. It felt like I just ate lunch and now it's dinner time. So for dinner, I'm gonna make beef sukiyaki. We're using like less than 1 pound of beef, which is enough for 2 people. We eat a lot. you.